What are you doing with these bed sheets? Are you not supposed to be getting the royal banquet ready?
Yes, Your Majesty. I should. But I saw this in the laundry section and remembered you instructed the maids to use this for the prince's new chamber.
Those girls. Very well then. Get on with it. But please, go back to your duty post as soon as you're done.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You know we do not have time anymore.
I know.
And they will soon be here.
Yes.
Get on. Okay. Hey, come back here. I saw you downstairs with other maidens, doing nothing. And here you are roaming aimlessly. Are you not supposed to be doing something?
My
Oh, please get out. Listen, let me tell you. I'm giving you 10 minutes. And after that 10 minutes, you're not done with other maidens doing what you were supposed to be doing. You will have me to contend with.
Yes, my queen.
Now get out. Fool. Your Majesty, my son. Trust me, your mother. Okay? Everything is ready. Yes. You don't have any problem. Yes. I go near. Oh, make her near. I know, check it. It is you were waiting for. Yes, everything is ready, trust me. Come on. Bye. Oh, we are expectant of you. Thank you. Oh, goodness, good. Yeah, who is there? Mother, you're not ready yet.
Not yet. I'm almost done.
Oh my word. My daughter, you're looking so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you, Mother.
I'm glad we are all witnessing this day. He's been away for too long. Thank God for making this a reality.
I know. I mean, I am so happy for him. And most significantly, Ikenna is bringing back the woman which he has been talking about for so long now. You know, I was beginning to wonder why would he even think he would keep it a secret from us all this while. I can't wait to meet her, you know.
Same here.
I just hope she is as beautiful as Ikenna has been saying.
Of course.
Okay, Mother. At this junction,
Whoa.
ready.
My princess is getting taken away. Oh
my
God.
How do I look?
So,
I'm good, Mommy. Okay.
You're so beautiful. Come on, be coming downstairs. We are waiting.
Okay, Mother. I need to get my shoes.
Let me not come for you again.
Okay.
Please.
Good.
Hello.
You're welcome.
Nice to see you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Mother. You know, I missed you so much.
I missed you more. But thank God you're home, safe and sound.
Guys, please, one minute, please.
Etel!
Princess Ijoma.
Etel!
No, I must be hallucinating.
No, my eyes are deceiving me or
Princess
something.
Ijoma.
Wow! Where the hell are you coming? Oh my goodness!
Excuse me, you two know each other?
Of course! We were classmates. No, we were best of friends. Until she left the shores of the country to go to her master's in the UK.
You know, I'm pretty.
You are
You're
mother.
correct, my dear. Just like his father had. He would have been so proud of his choice.
Of course he will be. I'm a chip of the old black mother.
Exactly.
I should toil in my father's footsteps.
Oh, yeah?
Don't you think so, darling?
So, mother, finally I get to meet you.
Yes, darling.
You're so pretty.
You too.
Oh, you're so cute. Sweetheart, you never told me your mother is such a chick. No.
What?
She's so pretty. Look at her.
Adele, darling, I think you should be careful how you play with my mom. She's the queen.
Oh, you're right. I really need to be careful.
What's going on here?
What's going on?
Oh, yes.
You want to know what is going on with me? I told you that I, Ethel, will be the princess of this kingdom. I will be crowned with all the beads.
What is happening to her? What is going on?
Oh, yes! Your people what? Your people what?
Hey, bro. How is she?
Cam, I never knew you both knew each other.
Well, that's because you kept your relationship with her in mystery. Yes, we knew each other. I mean, we know each other. We went to the same school, the same class. We did eventually everything together back then.
And she never showed any sign of insanity.
Not at all, except for the fact that maybe she's now on drugs. That's the only way someone can go berserk at any moment. It's shocking, you know.
This is not adding up at all. There's something going on. I must find out.
Definitely.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Sorry, can you just... It's raining.
I'm sorry, sir. Actually, the reason I stopped you is because I've been upstairs, but no one seems to talk to me. Please, sir, what's going on with the CV I submitted?
I must say, I'm so sorry. We couldn't inform you guys earlier about the change of plans.
Okay. What's the change of plan, sir?
I must have to say that the management have made selected of their best three and they asked others to look elsewhere. So that's a change of plan.
Oh, okay. Sir, am I among the best three?
Sorry, my dear. Your name is not among them.
Sir.
Why are you crying?
This is bad news, sir. I really need this job. Isn't there something we can come up with something, sir? Please, help me.
Quite unfortunate, it's not in my position to decide. I understand how you're feeling. I must have to say sorry to you. It's not in my hands, okay? I'm sorry, just calm down, look elsewhere. I believe God will do something for you, okay? I'm sorry. I have to take my leave. I'm so sorry, dear, okay? I'm sorry.
Yes.
My prince, greetings.
Greetings. How is she?
My prince, as much as I hate to say this, she's not getting any better.
It's all right. Please, I want you to keep a close eye on her.
Okay, my prince. Baby.
How are you?
Sorry, I also have made lunch for you.
It's all right, sir. How do you feel right now?
I'm fine. Or don't I look alright?
You're fine. Just come sit with me.
I don't know what is happening to me, but I hear voices in my head.
It's all right, I understand what you're going through. But I want to assure you that this is a phase. Like, it will pass. We will go through this together. Okay?
But what about your family? I mean, the embarrassment I must have put them through.
Shh. that bother you? Get well. That's all that matters right now. I just want you to get well. To do the kind of stuff we used to do together. I want to travel with you. Visit beautiful places with you. I miss us. I miss everything. I just want you back. What? Give it to me. Oh, give it to him. Babe, that hurts.
You're a wicked man.
No, babe.
Give it to me!
Stop.
Give it to me! I'll kill you. I'll kill you!
Oh, no.
Give it to me!
Please.
Give it to me! Please! Give it to me!
Ah!
Give it to me! Give it to me! Give it to me! Give it to me!
Babe.
Give it to me! Give it to me!
Babe.
Give it to me!
Hey, inemema, inemenjo sochukuma. Hey, sochukuma, sochukuma, sochukuma. Hey, sochukuma. Sochukuma, Sochukuma. Nkonye metaroburu, nkonye lutaroburu. Sochukuma. Whatever you sow, you will reap. Oh, whatever you sow, you will reap. Sochukuma.
See? I can see that
you
have gotten
you want
to see what she can do, right? Look at you now. Take a good look at yourself. Is this what you want to continue doing? Is this what you actually want for yourself? It is better for you to take that thing to a mental home. Else, one day she will unleash on someone like a hungry lion. Who knows? It could be you. Nonsense. Excuse me. Second joke, Maurice.
Hotel was not a threat to anyone. She is my wife. My cross to bear. This is her home.
What are you doing here? You left a pot of food on the fire. Is it burning? It's not burning, but you're supposed to be in the kitchen now.
I know. My mother called, so I came out to talk with her.
Hope all is well.
All is well. Thank you.
Chichi, wait. Chichi. Prince's wife to be, Ethel, mad, in this palace. So like that girl is cursed.
You are the one who is cursed. Let me ask you. Don't you have any other thing to do? Silly. Is this what you're here to do?
Don't you know how to make your business? Listen.
Make yourself more useful in this palace. Instead of looking for where to gossip up and down.
What are you doing?
What I should have done a long time ago. My dear princess, the apple of my eyes, please. Marry me.
Yes, I will marry you.
Congratulations, guys. We've been expecting it. Thank you.
You know what you just did to me? You just made me the happiest man on this planet. Thank you.
Darling. Hotel. Hotel. Hotel.
Oh, mother, I cannot wait. I mean, that day is going to be the most beautiful day of my life because I am going to be in my exquisite regalia.
Oh yeah?
I can't wait to work this way. You know, out that's
my
And then I
daughter.
will give it to my husband.
Oh yeah?
Not that day when
Where is the girl? I asked a question!
Are you crazy or something? Are you sick in the head? No, have you lost your sense of timing or what? What is this? You left the palace the whole day only for you to come back to this place and start back like a demented dog asking me about some sick insanity patient. Are you crazy? Nonsense.
Son, come on. Your sister will be getting married. Just sit there and enjoy with us.
Mother, I asked an honest question and I demand answers. Because that's the only thing that matters to me right now.
I see. It is only a sick man, a man who has bipolar, that can only be mattered with things that has to do with a demented patient. You should be ashamed of yourself. Look at you. You think you're the prince? So therefore you can do whatever you want to do. Now let me answer your question. Since you want an answer, your demented wife is right there on the street where her DNA matches. Do you understand me? She is on the street. That is where people like her belong. On the street. If you love your so-called stupid wife, then you go in search of her, not coming to yell in my ear like some stupid dog.
Mother, you see the way she talk about this.
Oh, please! And I will talk to you the way I want. You know why? Because you're about to go sick to like your sick wife. What is this?
Son, come on. Calm
I
down.
don't blame you.
Why would you blame me? Why would you? Am I the one who has a mad wife? You son of a maggot.
Oh, please.
Mother, please. You heard him. You heard the idiot talk back at me.
You shouldn't spoil our fun.
Mother, I am having fun even for the fact that idiot who wants to marry a demented woman is pissing me off and I've had it up to here. He talk.
That's okay.
Oh.
It's okay.
God! My prince. Open the gate. Yes, my prince. Now.
No. You sent for me.
Yes, Your Majesty. I had wanted to speak with Prince Ikenna, but I was told he went out. My queen, I am here to find out from Prince Ikenna his plans about the throne.
Oh no. Are you talking about a man that abandoned his responsibilities? A man that left what he's supposed to do? He's out there, roaming about the streets with a mad woman. I don't even know where he got her from. I even plead for his attention. It is that bad.
Now, talking about his fiancée, how is she doing?
Oh no, I cannot answer that now. She no longer lives here with us. I do not want such people to contaminate my family. Oh, no. Please, talk to him.
That will be difficult, knowing the kind of independent mind our crown prince possesses. But I will see what I can do.
Oh, please.
Yes.
Please.
I will.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
palace chef. No, please hold on. I know where they took your wife. Yes, I overheard the princess's conversation.
Yes, hello? Yes, I actually called you guys before, but you were not picking up your calls. Yes, I'm calling in respect of a Homo sapien in the palace who's been causing so much threat. I actually want to book a spot in your place. I mean, someone lost her sanity in the palace. There happened to be a problem. I will handle it. Okay.
We're going to save her, yes, I'm sure. Yes.
It's going to hit the wall! Hit the wall, go hit the wall!
The film is interesting. You want to try? No, it's coming. I remember when I was a soldier.
Yeah, take. You want to try? Can you see? Beautiful! I remember.
Nkonye metaroburu, nkonye lotaroburu, sochukuma. Whatever you sow, you will reap. Oh, whatever you sow, you will reap. Sochukuma. All on.
Smell, wow.
Yes. Do you like it? Okay.
Can I take my drugs?
Your drugs? Okay, I'll get them for you.
Thank you.
Alright. Hope you're good.
I'm fine.
Wetin happen again now? Shebi I don first clear you this thing before, Oga. I dey work. Okay, make I do video call now so you go know say I dey work. Me I go inside do video call. And this go be the last time when I go show you this thing. Show you the see now. Lali. Yes, sir. Yes. I know the come. Yes. No. I think very
Hi.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. I'm actually here to see a patient.
Okay.
I don't know if you could direct me to the head office.
Yes, sir. Just take straight. You see this road, just follow straight. Then take your left. The next building is the head office, sir.
Oh, you mean that building over there?
Yes, sir. Just there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir. You're welcome.
Look, we are standing here. Come, where's Zubby? Do you know how much it takes to watch this show? Move your mouth. I will inject you to death. If you don't, I will inject you to death. Go! I say move! Move to your wall.
Excuse me, boss. Sorry, please. I just met the nurse down there. And I asked for the head office and she pointed towards the direction. Please. There's a patient I'm here to see. There's a patient I'm here to see. Her name is Etiko.
Etiko?
Yes, I don't know if you have by chance met or come across her.
Etiko Peterson.
Yes! Yes, that's her name. Where can I find her?
She's actually my patient. I'm the one taking care of her.
Good God.
Follow me.
Thank you. Thank you. What? In there?
Come with me.
Oh, please wait! What the hell do you mean by that? No, tell me. What do you mean by that? That you do not know where she is? You are supposed to be taking care of her. You're in charge of her. And now you're going to give me account of her whereabouts?
Sir, please calm down.
Don't ask me to calm down. I hate that. Don't ask me. Oh my God. Hey, everybody's mad. Don't ask me to calm down. Where is she?
It seems you don't understand what I'm saying.
Then make me understand. Make me understand.
I was with her a few minutes ago. She even asked me to get her okpa and bottled water, which I did. After eating, she said I should go and get her drugs. As I was going, then...
What happens afterwards? I don't know. Where is she? Don't tell me. Where is she? You all will hear from me soon. You're all stuck with mad. Look at them. Everybody's mad. You all will hear from me soon. I promise you.
Where is she?
Nonsense.
Etiko, where is Etiko?
You all will hear from me soon. I promise you. I swear to God, I will burn down this hospital. You hear from me soon. I promise you, only you hear from me. Ah!
It has come to my notice that there is no other twat, no other retarded ink with this palace would have connived, would have done something against the royal family. You had the guts! You had the guts! It's the leniency for me. You've got the guts to do... How dare you? Now let me ask you a question. Before you came into this palace, have you ever, in your retarded, wretched house, eaten a chicken wing before? Have you eaten a chicken wing before?
No, my princess, no.
Have you eaten a chicken lap before?
No, my princess.
Lap?
No, ma.
With all the food and everything we give you, when you came to this palace, your nose was flat. Now it's becoming pointed. You have the guts to betray the royal family. I will sort it with you. Now I want you to go inside there, pack up your rags, remove this royal attire, and go back to your wretched house. Are you still here?
No.
Are you still here?
No, ma.
Are you still here, you hippo? Look at her! Shut devil! What the hell are you doing here? What are you doing here? No. It's short. Look at him! Bastard! Running like a tortoise! Useless good for nothing, it's just in this palace. I will deal with all of you!
Who be that craze again now? Who be that? All these crazy people, all these mad people.
Come with me. I say come with me.
Nkonye metaroburu, nkonye lutaroburu, Sochukuma. Whatever you sow, you will reap. Oh, whatever you sow, you will reap. Sochukuma. Olonye lutaro buru, nkaka weteri buru. Sochukuma.
Mama, you've locked all the doors. At least let me go inside and drop my bag. My question is, where are you going with all these belongings? Mama, I already told you. I no longer work in the palace. And the reason? The reason is because you are too much gossiping all the time. Instead of concentrating on your work, you go there to gossip, running your mouth up and down. Mama, I was not gossiping. I only assisted the prince. And who sent you? Who sent you to assist the prince? Instead of minding your business, you went there to gossip. It's better for you to go back to that palace. You see this house? This house cannot contain both of us. Never! It can't. Mama, you cannot change men of my own father. Come and enter. Let me drop my bag now. You can't, You can't. You better go back to that palace. Go back to that palace. Even though they didn't allow you to enter that palace, look for somewhere around that place and knock a small batch and stay with all these belongings. Mama, what you're doing is not good, though. Mama, forgive me. Mama, you go back. Never. No. Come and enter. This is my husband's house. See you. You better go back, Mama, go back. You opened this door for me because I did not do anything. Oh, yeah. I did not do anything. You did not do anything. Every time, Did I not do that way? Mama, you're supposed to be gossiping. Did I not do that way to be gossiping all the time? What do you want me to do now? Come and enter. Come and enter. Never. Come on, me.
Caroline, listen. You know, police is always your friend. All I want you is to comply with me. Before you know it, you will be out of this place. Just answer my question. Where is Prince Ikena's wife?
I said this before, and I'm still saying it again. I don't know where she is.
Uncle, please talk to Mama. Please talk to Mama. I cannot keep working in the palace forever now. Uncle, I will find another job. Please.
My daughter, stop crying. Wipe your tears. The much I know her, she always wants what is best for you.
Uncle, just talk to her. She looked everywhere. I'm not even eating since I came back. I'm not even eating.
Okay, listen. It's okay. In any problem, there must be a solution. Okay?
Thank you, Uncle.
Okay, listen. Cool down, I'll talk to her at the market. Cool down, she'll just come back.
Yes, Uncle. Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you, Uncle.
I said, cool down, come.
You say you don't know where she is, Zubby.
You think they here at the place where you go come talk one word and believe say that word now you go set you free? Let me ask you this for the last time. If you no answer me, I will make you dead body where they waka. Which agreement we get with Prince Ikena's wife will make you let am pass your gate?
Officer, now the truth I tell you so. Nobody passed through that gate. You know, I did very sure because now that gate I dey sleep, now there I dey wake up, now there I dey shop, now there I dey do everything. Officer, I swear nobody passed the gate. I swear, officer.
How did you get the information? Well, Mother, let's just say that someone called me on the phone and gave me this wonderful information. You know my happiness is that she is roaming on the street, exactly where she belongs. I like that.
I would have opposed this relationship when I had it.
Mother, what are you saying? I mean, we should be talking about the shock of the century. The shock which I am still trying to recover from. Who would have believed that my brother was dating my own friend? How? Whatever he does, that girl will not step her foot into this palace. That's on a period, Mom. Can you just come in without breaking my damn door? Goodness.
You sent for me, my queen.
My princess, see you later. Please shut the door behind you.
Officer, this is not a good time.
And I will not take much of your time either. The suspect should be released.
Have they confessed to the crime? Have they told you where they're keeping her? I told you they have accomplices.
My prince, they have no hand in your wife's disappearance. The truth is that your wife is mentally deranged and is capable of escaping the facility at a slighted chance.
And how did you arrive at that, officer?
That is my job, my prince.
Well, let the judge decide. Arraign them in court. A competent one.
That would be a total mockery of the police force. Report her as a missing person and let the police do their job.
Excuse me.
Welcome.
I'm hungry. What do you have?
Okay, we have indomie, we also have rice, we have beans, we have yam. We have swallow, semovita, eba, whatever you want. Even chicken sauce.
Okay. Give me beans.
Yes.
I want plantain.
Beans, plantain. Fried rice.
Chicken.
Fried rice, chicken. Okay. Sorry, is that I should give you beans, plantain, fried rice, chicken, indomie?
Yes.
Okay. Is that all? Can I add any? Okay. Your bill is 9,016 naira. How are you paying? Cash or POS?
I'm coming.
Wait. Wait, you just finished eating. Pay my money first. I'm waiting.
Pay?
Yes.
Money. I said I'm coming.
Stay there. Stay there. What do you mean you're coming? Pay my money. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting.
You know, this whole thing was so shocking to me. Not just to me, but to my entire family.
You know, ever since you said that to me on the phone, I've been thinking.
Thinking about what exactly?
Ethel, we know how much she always wanted to belong. How she mingles with the likes of Raphael, maybe she's on drugs.
You know, I think you're right. Back then in school, she was so desperate. Her inferiority complex was top-notch. She wanted to belong so desperately. She wanted to be everywhere. And I believe you. She's on drugs. Now that it's been confirmed that she's on drugs, I mean, take a good look at her. She's gone.
And your brother? How is he taking it?
I can't even stand that one. Because I feel my brother, he is stupidly, foolishly, crazily, and retardedly in love with a stupid thing. I can't even stand the feelings, trust me. It's annoying. Huh? But all the same, she's mad. I mean, we should be celebrating this, so don't you think so?
This is serious.
Okay. Like, very serious. I heard that. Come on, please. You know what? Just snap out of this whole thing, please. Or are you on drugs too? Just asking.
See where you land.
My daughter, which among your friends are you talking about?
Mother. Ethel, my tall friend, the one that never likes to eat in our house.
Ethel! The one that doesn't eat in our house?
Ethel.
No, drink water.
Ethel, Mama.
Hey! How?
Mom, does madness run in the family?
I don't know. I don't think so. She was engaged to marry Princess Ijoma's brother. You know Princess Ijoma too?
The tall fair one that used to come here.
Yes.
Yes, she was supposed to marry the brother. The moment they introduced her to the queen, she hugged the queen. That was it. She ran mad. Totally mad.
Just like that?
Just like that, Mama.
Oh. Just like that?
Just like that, Mama. Totally mad.
My daughter, how are you sure Naka Queen Adironia that she has no hand in this?
Mama, watch what you say. I thought about that too, but I kept it to myself.
Hi! Hi!
Etiko, I want to...
That's not my name.
How do you mean?
My name is Popo Ogenewa.
That wasn't the information I was given. Anyway, by the way, what were you thinking when you got into a restaurant and ate some quantity of food without any means of paying?
Popo Ogene.
Will you stop this nonsense?
Popo Ogene. Popo Ogene. Popo Ogene.
You found her. Oh, that's great news. Great, great. So where are you guys? All right, I'll be there with you. All right. Right. Open the gate. Hey. Listen. I'll have to take you inside now. All right? I need you to get down the car so I take you inside. So let's go.
No, I cannot come down.
Why?
There are plenty people here. They want to kidnap me.
People?
Yes, see them. They want to kill me.
There's no one here.
No.
It's just you and I.
No. I can see people. Look at them now. There are plenty.
There's nobody
They're everywhere.
Here.
Look at them.
Etel.
They're coming.
Etel! Stop. All right? Stop. It's just me here.
It's not you.
So I want you to calm down the car and then we'll go inside. Just me. Listen, I will protect you. Okay? I promise I'm going to protect you. That's what we're going to do, okay? We are going to walk inside, away from this country that you see. Alright?
Yes. Tell him to go away.
Go away.
Shift. Tell him to shift.
Shift.
No, I don't want to go there. There are plenty people.
Don't worry. Listen, I will protect you. I promise. Okay?
Someone's holding knife. Look at this crowd. Look at the crowd.
Hey, guard. Leave there. Go inside. You're right. Are you good? Let's go. Let's go away from the people.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings. Tell the chef to prepare something nice for my wife, alright?
My prince?
Yes.
She's no longer in the service of this palace.
What? Since when?
She hurriedly packed her bag without saying anything to anyone.
Why the hell have to leave this house without plans for where she will stay? Do you know how dangerous that place is? A month on day. Eh? What can I do? I'm asking you! Talk!
My husband, I did not send her out. She left on her own. I was even asking her, Chinyere, where are you going? She said that I should leave her, that she's matured enough to take care of herself. Then I let her go.
Because you made life unbearable for her in her own home, where you should keep her protected. Eh? Oh, she can't say, okay, all about some dear, she ran for her own dear life.
My husband, you know in this house, we don't condone laziness in this house. Eh? Any child that is lazy, we cannot, this house, in fact, this house cannot contain me and any child that is lazy. Eh? I can't. She left on her own. I was even angry with her because she involved herself in a matter that does not concern her.
I say, it's a lie. As far as I'm concerned, she didn't commit any crime. Eh? Just pray. Just pray that she's safe. Because if anything happens to her, if any harm happens to her, make sure that I give you a mark on your body. That and
Now, nothing will happen to her. Eh? Nothing will happen to her. That lazy girl wants to put me in trouble. This is my husband's house. Eh? Chinyere. Hey! How about you put a move? Oh.
Thank you very much once again. Without wasting much of our time, let me introduce my son here, Douglas. He is the reason my brother and I are here. Ndị banks na ihe na-asụ onye ebe ahụ opiede. He told me that he found a precious fruit here, one that cannot be found anywhere else. But that is why we are here. He has come to pluck that fruit.
Yes, Father.
None. You're welcome. You have spoken well. But if I may ask, which of the fruits have you come to pluck? Because we have so many of them here, all ripe.
From what my son Douglas told me, it is Princess Ijoma.
Ah! My queen. You have spoken well. And you are at the right place. But as you all know, we cannot decide for her.
Exactly.
We have to first of all invite her to talk for herself. My queen.
Hello.
I think it's time for you to invite Ijoma.
Excuse me.
Why, Mama?
Why?
Hey.
She's here. My angel.
Wow.
I told you we have it. My queen.
No.
Please.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe I can
Allow her to speak for herself.
It's all right.
My people. Brokota agbakwa n'ihu efi o. Ọkwa ukwu n'ahịa, ọgọdọ n'ahịa. My princess is here. Princess Ijoma. These men here said they are coming for your hand in marriage. And I want you to answer this question before we know if we can accept these drinks or not. Do you accept Douglas as your husband?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You got it right there. What is it?
Ijoma, what is it?
Just come yourself. Princess, it's okay, please. It's okay. Please. Help me.
Help hold your sister now.
Help us. Hold
no,
your
please
sister.
help me. Ijoma.
My friend, hold your sister. I'm begging you. Just come. Oh my God. Please, please. Just come. Yes, take my car. Please, please come.
What is surprise? Where have you been?
Yes. Wait till you always keep your phone. Do you know I will call your line? It will ring and nobody will pick. You're getting some kind of joke. Stop it. I don't like it. I'll be picking your call. That's why it's called handset. Carry your phone along with yourself. Do you understand?
Oh, girls, what's going on? You're sounding normal. Are we not normal?
I don't understand. We're normal people. I mean, you're the one that is not normal.
She's not normal.
You're asking a normal person if we're normal.
Mama.
Please stop. This is a joke or some kind of game you invented. Please stop it. It's getting too much.
She say a joke. What is a joke about this? I beg, leave matter for matter. How is school?
Hey!
What's happening?
What kind of question are you asking her? Ellie finished school decades ago now. I mean, you know well. You don't forget.
Hey.
She's not normal.
Hey, true.
Yes, now. You don't forget.
I forget my brain.
Where? Why are you doing this? If this is a joke, please stop it. You're hurting Prisiken and you know that.
Why are you confusing Prisiken?
You're the one confusing Prisiken.
You're mad though.
She's mad.
You are sick.
Okay, you're Prisiken and you're confusing him.
Wait too. Prisiken, stop.
Ijoma, listen to me.
Hey! You go to crazy? Old Roger is dead and gone to his grave. Gone to his grave. Just planted an apple tree over his head. Over his head. The apple grew ripe and ready to drop. The apple grew ripe and ready to drop. Old Roger is dead and gone to his grave. Old Roger is dead and gone to his grave.
Wait, I
Wait.
They planted an apple tree over his head.
Yes, is this right? Yes, yes, please. I think you come on. Hey! Wait. Let's go inside. Zubby, I wanted my something now. Wait.
Asịkwa n'ihe anaghị eri ọba. Udele bajon. Udele kara aka na-amapụ ụzọ afọ. So naanị udele n'ogologo na-agara n'ite dị n'ọkụ. Marakwa na eji udele eme ogbensi. Ya mekwara m ji atụrụ nwa onovo, nwandekere tede. Ka mgbọrọ nwoke aka kpatara n'ajọ ọhịa. Ajọ isi n'ajọ ọhịa ji bada adọ nwa na-ekwe ha pụtụpụtụ na-eke orie afọ na nkwọ. Nne nna anyị ha bịa m. Our tradition is fast-fading because of the new religion that came to destroy our tradition. Set by our ancestors. The gods are silent to our problems.
Helen,
Yes.
you told me this man had answers to my problems.
Yes, but...
So what's going on?
There is another who has answers and solutions to a problem. But it's a long journey.
Great one. Where can I find this person? Because I am very desperate. I do not care if he stays at the end of the earth. As long as he has solutions to this mystery, I am ready to take the trip.
Nwatakịrị ọbụla na-ebe so nwunye ya, sisi nwunye ya. Her name is Obanje. She is the only one that has answers and solutions to your problems.
Time was spent trekking. I have to save transport fare.
You're welcome. My daughter. The letter came from you. Sit well. What happened?
Mama, who brought it?
I don't really know. Someone brought it here. And your name is on it. Yes.
Looks like Letter of appointment.
So, what is there?
Mama, Biko Charugodi. Let me be sure. From Matiobi Corporation. Dear Miss Helen Okoroma, we are glad to inform you that you have been appointed as the General Manager of Matiobi Corporation.
Hi!
With an official car and apartments. We look forward to having you on board!
I told you! Hi! Thank God! Oh. I told you! Holy shit! My daughter, what is it? No! Helen, what is it? I got it. Yes, you did.
Mama, I got it.
Helen, what is it?
I got it. Mama, I got it.
Helen,
I got it. Oh.
What is your problem?
I got it. I want another one. I got it.
Somebody had!
I got it all. I got it all.
Nkonye metaroburu, nkonye lotaroburu, Sochukuma. Whatever you sow, you will reap. Oh, whatever you sow, you will reap. Sochukuma. Olonye lotaroburu, nkaka weteriburu, Sochukuma. Hey, Sochukuma, 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 Sochukuma. Be careful with life. Slow down, brother. Slow down, sister. Hey, yeah. Be careful.
Your wife and sister's blood are from the same source. And there is another girl I see.
Helen, you mean?
That is her name. They sold their hands in the past. And the old man is still angry.
I just don't understand. How are all this connected? Please, what can I do? What must I do to lift this course?
Your sister Ijeoma brought this up.
So guys, guess what?
What?
I mean, you need to guess what? Guess what?
Guess spill it out. Spill it.
My father just got me this beautiful car. Wow! I just say, wow! I mean, don't you love things in red? Yeah. Don't you love red things? So, the idea here is that I will be changing this ride in this one. If only I graduate with first class.
That's right.
So, big one.
Your dad is the in thing, man.
Oh my God!
I didn't tell you.
My father saw you.
I didn't tell you.
Papa na everything.
Oh, so.
Hey!
Unsolved.
Unsolved. Shut up, baby, take her. You know it's who them be?
I finish work. I sandpaper in here. I wash her with hypo.
Your father.
I touch her.
That's
Okay, guys. So I actually brought this, so we can use it and wash the car. Here. Dance. You know, the whole campus, they need to feel us. You understand? They need to understand that princess in Jamaica. You understand? They are the man. They are the sea.
Who them be? Who
Their father, they get her. They don't see. Drink no be keep drink. Hey! Woo! Okay. Woo! Our lecturer need to hear this. The HOD need to hear this. When are ready? When are ready? Woo!
Fuck that shit, baby!
Okay.
Woo!
Okay, guys, good. We're gonna be toasting this to new more rice,
new cars,
more money in our hands, more things to slay,
more groove, yeah,
and more milkshake.
Now, get some more.
My friends are really. Cheers. Oh my goodness. I mean, how do you feel things?
If babe give us music, more.
Hey,
You know, shut them out.
At the Christ.
Chukuma, hey, ine mema, ine menjo, so Chukuma, hey, so Chukuma, so Chukuma, so Chukuma, hey, so Chukuma. Sachukuma, Sachukuma. Nkonye metaroburu, nkonye lotaroburu. Sachukuma, Whatever you sow, you will reap. Oh, whatever you sow, you will reap. Sochukuma.
Mr. Man, are you deaf? Will you remove this jalapeno out of my way?
You blind? Be blind?
Sochukuma. Be careful with life. Slow down, brother. Slow down, sister. Be careful in life. Slow down, brother. Slow down, sister. Whatever you sow, you must reap. Whatever you do in life, you must pay. You must pay. He who goes to everything should go with clean hands. So much happened behind closed doors. No one seems to know or even ever hear it. Karma has everyone addressed. Be careful in life.
I'm not even understanding anything. I don't even know what to write. I don't understand. Let me tell you.
Karma has everyone
addressed. We have only 30 minutes. Soon, Dr. Clement will be here. Copy anything. Girls. Hey, babe. What are you doing? I'm looking for you all over the place. Not yet. Oh, thank God. Thank God. What's up now? Have you done your assignment? Yes, now. Have you submitted it? Yes. Why now? You did not even show me. See, I don't even understand anything. Please, help me out. Babe, stop asking questions. Copy. I don't understand. I've been trying to search for you. I don't understand anything. Keep this. Let me help you. Be fast. I'll handle it. I'm just
Hey, girls, your time is up. I need the seat. You don't understand. I say I need the seat. You say you don't understand. What's in the worry? Come on, vamos from here.
If you can see, we are trying to sort out something.
Really?
Seriously, there are other places you can see.
It is either you all are dead or you are about to go dead. All I see seated in front of me are 3 urchins with some flat nose and some ugly, shapeless faces. Now you take your wacky-tacky ass out of that place right now.
Immediately.
Get the hell
out from here.
Get out!
They're mad. I said, Bamus today. They question me.
Look at them. Roasted dinosaurs. Nonsense. Are they crazy or something? I don't get it.
Oh, baby.
You know, I think I need something like that.
I'm saying, it's Sophie. It's Sophie, my baby girl.
Oh my goodness, God, life is sweet. Now you know when money is involved.
Life is good.
I do the spending, so I'm not complaining. I'm not. Oh my goodness, man.
Nkonye metaroburu, nkonye lutaroburu, Sochukuma. Whatever you sow, you will reap. Oh, whatever you sow, you will reap. Sochukuma. Olonye lutaroburu, nkaka weteriburu, Sochukuma. Hey, Sochukuma, 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 Sochukuma. Be careful with life. Slow down, brother. Slow down, sister. Hey, yeah.
I'll be with you
Be
shortly.
careful in life. Slow down,
Okay.
brother.
See you soon.
Slow
Love you.
down, sister.
I mean, this is why I don't like hanging out with you girls, man. You keep rubbing some bullshit on your face until you look like some masquerade.
You must pay. He who goes to equity should go with clean hands. Kaibe Arimanugi. So much happen behind closed doors. No one seems to know or even ever hear it. Karma has everyone just be careful in life.
Did you just touch me? What? Are you crazy? Did you just touch my hands? What's going on? What's going on? What's happening? This stupid man who's been begging me for money just touched my body. Can you imagine?
You put your cursed hand on her skin. Are you mad? Even the cloth is dirty. Are you sick? Why would you do such? Dirty old man. Seriously, beg for money. Look at the ugly thing. Good for nothing. Dirty old man. Am I even being rich one? He's not a genuine beggar. Obviously, look at him. Oh, dirty thing. Look at this thing. Look at this.
You don't know your children. Your wife, your wife,
who is your children? If I hear what, I'll mash this your face if I hear nonsense from your mouth. Imagine. Dirty old man.
So chukuma, hey, chukuma, so chukuma, so chukuma, so chukuma, hey, chukuma, so chukuma, so chukuma. Ine menjo so chukuma, hey, ine menjo so chukuma, hey, so chukuma, so chukuma, so chukuma, hey. So chukuma, so chukuma, so chukuma. Nkonye metaroburu, nkonye lutaroburu, so chukuma. Whatever you sow, you will reap. Oh, whatever you sow, you will reap. So chukuma. Olonye lutariburu, nkaka weteriburu, so chukuma o. Hey, inabara chukuma, so chukuma, so chukuma, so chukuma. Inabara chukuma, so chukuma, inabara chukuma, so chukuma. Be careful with life. Slow down, sister. Slow down, sister. Hey, yeah. Be careful in life. Slow down, brother. Slow down, sister. EZEONU. Whatever you sow, you must reap. Whatever you do in life, you must pay. You must pay. He who goes to equity should go with clean hands. Kaibe Arimanugi. So much happen behind closed doors. No one seems to know or even ever hear it. Karma has everyone addressed. Be careful in life. Careful. Karma has everyone addressed. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh. In a memma, in a manjo. In a memma, in a manjo. So chukuma. Hey, in a chukuma. So chukuma. So chukuma. So chukuma. In a barachukumba, in a barachukumba, sachukumba, in a memba, in a menjo, sachukumba. Hey, in a memba, in a menjo, sachukumba. Hey, in a barachukumba, sachukumba, sachukumba, sachukumba. Hey, in a barachukumba, sachukumba.
Great Oduma, my heart is broken. Why have you forsaken me? By allowing this injustice. I cannot change my fate, but I have been shamed and my money scattered on the ground. Great Oduma, I call on you to avenge my cause. I swear with my life. May their joy never get full as the plate of my money. May sorrow abound their lives at the pit of their blessings. May they be made a laughing stock, just like they made me a laughing stock. I swear with my life. I swear with my life. Great Oduma. Great Oduma. Great Oduma.
Everyone knows Uduma, the gods of vengeance, to be a potent one. His wrath spread through generation unborn, which means the lineage is cursed and violated, to bear children with madness.
So, Obanje, what must be done? The Oba assured me that you have solutions. What am I to do now?
Go and look for the old man. He has the solution.
Hey, inemema, inemenjo, Sachukuma. Hey, Sachukuma, Sachukuma, Sachukuma. Hey, Sachukuma, Sachukuma, Sachukuma.
Nkonye metaroburu, nkonye lotaroburu, Sachukuma. Whatever you sow, you will reap. Oh, whatever you sow, you will reap. Sachukuma. Olonye lutaroburu, nkaka weteriburu, Sachukuma.
Hey, Sachukuma, 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 Sachukuma. Inabarachukuma, Sachukuma, Sachukuma, Sachukuma. Be careful with life. Slow down, brother. Slow down, sister. Hey, yeah. Be careful in life. Slow down, brother. Slow down, sister. EZEONU. Whatever you sow, you must reap. Whatever you do in life, you must pay. You must pay. He who goes to equity should go with clean hands.
You have to remember the old man. The old beggar you harassed the other day. Please. I need to know where to find him. I need to find a lasting solution to what's going on. Please.
Old man.
Yes.
Ibubi.
What?
Old man. Ibubi. Old man.
Is that his name? Okay. Where can I find him? Where can I find him?
Don't ask me foolish question. I don't know. Oh, you think I don't know? Eh? You're asking me where? I know you don't love me. You're asking me where you go and find that woman you pushed me away for. What this gay man?
What do you mean you don't know? But you just called his name. We need to find a way to solve all this. Alright? Because I believe the old man has a solution to all that's happening to me. Please.
Say the woman gave you this thing on your neck. Don't near me. You don't love me, I know. She gave you this chain on your neck. You think I don't know?
It won't give me no chain. Alright?
You are lying. She gave you. She gave you. You think I don't have eyes? You think I don't know? You think I'm a mumu? Oh.
Any news? Talk to me. Any news with Etta?
Mother, I'm getting sick and tired of all of this. I don't know what else to do.
See, you have to be strong. We are in this together. Okay? Just go in there. Change into something else because you are going out.
To where exactly, Mother? I just need them to remember the past events. I need a name. Just one name.
One step at a time. One step at a time, son. Just go change, okay? I'm waiting for you downstairs. Please. I'm waiting.
My dear, I'm so sorry I don't have vacants here, but I'll see what I can do. I'll search around. If there is any, I'll let you know. I already have your number. I'll inform you.
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it. God bless you.
No problems. I'll ask at my leisure time. I'll ask my neighbors. I'll look out around my house. If there is any at all, I'll inform you like I said.
Please do. Thank you. God bless you very much. You promised to call me, right?
I'll call you.
Thank
I have
you.
your number. All right, bye.
But how? There is no madness in my family. Why should my daughter be an exception?
Well, it's a long story. I believe your daughter tells you everything.
Yes.
So I want you to think. Think of any discussion you might have had with her in the past.
My prince, what are you talking about?
Well, madam, back in school days, your daughter and her friends had an encounter with a mystery madman.
That's true.
Their meeting wasn't pleasant at all. I believe your daughter told you about this incident. So I want you to think of a name. A name she might have mentioned while telling you about it. Because this name holds the key to her restoration.
Please. Think. I've heard all you said. Considering the city being too far, it's not an excuse. You must look for that old man. For he holds a solution to the problem of your daughter and your fiancé.
Inemenjo sochukuma inemenjo sochukuma 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 hey sochukuma
Let's go. Easy, Mom. Mother.
Wait. Are you sure we are on the right path? This place looks so scary. maybe we should go back.
No. Mother, according to descriptions, we're on the right path. Alright? So let's go.
Son. No, we don't want to go.
Mother! Let's go!
Son.
Old man! Hey! Please. I want to talk to you.
What do you want? I don't have any money for you to steal.
We are just here to talk with you.
Yes.
Please. Do not fret. Old man, we're here to beg you to break a curse you placed on 3 ladies.
Which curse?
The curse of Uduma. Old man, we beg you.
Please.
We beg you with everything we hold sacred. Please.
I cannot do that.
But why? I want my daughter back. She is suffering. She's been through a lot and it's too much for her.
You care only about your daughter. Do you know how much shame I passed through their hands? Do you know?
That is why we're here.
Yes.
To plead with you.
Please.
To forgive them. And lift this curse.
Yes.
The curse cannot be broken.
Old man, why? What do you want us to do?
Just tell us.
What do you want?
Talk.
What do you need? What should we do to break this curse?
Yes, please.
Just tell us.
I will die if the curse is broken.
What am I going to do?
Yes? I'm coming, let me finish this thing.
I'm coming now. Nkonye metaroburu, nkonye lotaroburu, Sochukuma. Whatever you sow, you will reap. Oh, whatever you sow, you will reap. Sochukuma. Olonye lutaruburu, nkaka weteriburu. Sochukuma.
Where are you? God! When shall I be careful with life? Slow down, brother. My princess, stop. Slow down, sister. Be careful. Slow down, brother. Slow down, sister. Ijoma, please calm down. My princess. What is happening? Oh my God. And you? Where were you? How many times have I warned you never to leave her alone?
Apologies, my queen. I only went to get her drugs. I'm sorry, my queen.
That's all right. If there's anything you want to do, then we'll help you do it. You need not to go away from where she is. It's your
Hold that now!
Go back to your duty post. And you go and take care of her.
Old man, my sister and her friends were wrong to treat you the way they did. But I stand in that gap to plead with you to forgive them. Please. They're still so young to die like that.
There is no reversal to any cause made to Oduma. No reversal. No reversal. Oduma's wrath is very powerful. There is nothing I can do. Nothing. Please. It is not possible.
Then I have to end this. I have to end this.
Come here, old man. Come here. To die. You will have to die for my wife to leave. Die, old man. Die. Die.
It is easier to plead to Oduma to reverse the cause. But it is harder to break off from the cause. It is a cause to die. A cause to die.
Inemema, inemenjo, sochukuma. Hey, inemema, inemenjo, sochukuma. Hey, sochukuma, sochukuma.
My prince, our people are agitated about our continued delay in crowning you king. And I'm afraid they will soon revolt against us.
Do I look like that guy?
Huh?
No. Oh, Chineke, man. I don't care.
My prince, may I remind you that any further delay will affect our traditional calendar. Or don't you know?
Not today, no.
I'm not in that mood. My prince. My prince.
Inemema, inemenjo, sochukuma. Hey, inemema, inemenjo, sochukuma. Hey, sochukuma, sochukuma, sochukuma. Hey, sochukuma, sochukuma, sochukuma. Nkonye metaroburu, nkonye lotaroburu, sochukuma.
What the hell do you want me to do, mother? What do you want me to do? Son. What in the name of the gods do you want me to do?
You cannot just give up so easily, son. Apply a little pressure.
Pressure?
Yes. Pressure.
What other pressure are you talking about, mother? Is it until I put my own blood before you understand that I am pressured myself? The old man refused to give in.
He's bluffing.
Really?
So, don't you think he needs something? Give him money. Everybody needs money. Money answereth all things.
And not to make sinful life. He made that clear to us. You were there.
Greetings, my prince. The Queen Mother.
My prince, someone is here to see you.
I do not want to see anyone.
But my prince...
He said it's important.
I said I do not want to see anyone. Oh my God. Old man. Please. Let me help you.
Make him sit. Make him sit.
Come. Please. Come and sit.
Please leave me. Leave me. What? Leave me.
My sister, Pastor Hudilichukwu assured me that Chinagon, my daughter, will return.
Amen.
And I strongly believe him. He also gave me verses from Bible. With those verses, God is really helping me.
Oh, thank you, Jesus. So, Chukwu's coming, Pastor Kadiri. Chukwu's calling Pastor Kadiri. Oh, I know he will do it. God, he will do it. Hey, who is like God?
My Redeemer liveth. I know he's not far from my family. I know when he will arrive,
the whole world will know that our Redeemer liveth.
Amaram,
no yet shiny no so Nezi Amaram, no rapori kwai. Amaram na pena digaya. Enu agamarana. Oye chai dikeo. Jesus is the time, oh Lord.
The God of power.
God is the time.
You are
living my water in your hand.
Oh,
God.
The mighty man in battle.
Jehovah, take control. Back to her senses. Bring her back to her senses. Bring her back to her senses, oh Lord. The hour has come, oh Lord. God, bring her back to her senses.
Old man, thank you very much for finally accepting to come, denounce the cause. I feel relieved. I mean, I'm alive again. All thanks to you. But please, permit me to ask if you want me to bring all of them together to you? Or you want to see them one after the other?
I am seeing them already.
Old man, how's that even possible?
You have been carrying this burden for so long. I am here because denouncing their causes will as well free you from what has been weighing you down.
Yes. Yes, please. Please, cancel this course. Cancel the courses. Please, old man.
Yeah.
Are you alright, old man? Are you alright?
Inemema, inemenjo, sochukuma. Hey, inemema, inemenjo, sochukuma. Hey, sochukuma, sochukuma, sochukuma. Hey, sochukuma, sochukuma, sochukuma. Nkonye metaroburu, nkonye lutaroburu, sochukuma. Whatever you sow, you will reap. Oh, whatever you sow, you will reap. Sochukuma. Olonye lutaroburu, nkaka weteriburu. Sochukuma. Hey, Sochukuma. Sochukuma.
What happened to me? Why is everywhere dirty? What's going on? On my face. Wait. What's this weird makeup on my face? What's going on?
Welcome back home.
Excuse you? Welcome back to where? I can't recollect anything.
Baby, you don't need to recollect anything. All I can see right now is that you went on a vacation. Now you are back. I missed you so much. I missed you. Yeah. Okay. About the weird makeup. I'll get this off you now. Alright? I'll help you get this off your face. Sorry. You're fine now. All right?
I said she leave me alone now. Leave me alone.
Please, sir.
I will slap you.
Please, sir. Sir, please help me.
What is that now? Just leave me alone now.
Excuse me, sir.
Well, I know, I called to inform you that I want to proceed with the traditional marriage rite of my fiancé, Etiko. And so I want you to lead the delegates to her family.
That is commendable, my prince. But I'm afraid you cannot marry Etiko. Yes.
Oh no. Is that some kind of joke or something? That is the girl I love. I have known this girl for years. How dare you say a thing like that?
Prince Ekena, you are of a royal blood and cannot marry a woman known to have been exposed to insanity.
Oh, spare me all that to know.
It is considered a sacrilege.
It is true that she was insane. But she's fine now. Besides, she has no idea what she's been through. Oh no. I love this woman so much. And I must make her my wife.
There are many women to choose from. Etiko is out of the picture.
Etiko is the girl I wish to marry. There's nothing you say or do that will make me change my mind, or no.
The man who married a beautiful woman and the farmer growing corn by the roadside are the same. There are many women to choose from out there. Make a better choice, my prince.
My love, I've been dead worried. I've been calling your phone, but you've not been taking my calls. I even thought if you left the country without at least coming to see my face.
You know I wouldn't leave without coming to see you first. You're looking more beautiful than ever.
Wow, really? Thank you. So, baby, you said we're going to talk about the marriage plans when you come, right? So let's talk about it.
Okay.
So the wedding plans, the wedding planner, do you have one? I can get one. You know, I have a couple of them on my phone. I could even talk to my mom. We need to look amazing. We need to look exquisite, babe. I was talking about the wedding planner. Okay, fine. Maybe I think you're worried about it. I'll handle it. I'll take care of all the bills. But why don't we talk about color for the day? What color do you want? Let's do yellow, green, maybe red, white. You know, red actually looks amazing on you, just like the one you wear right now. So I think the red and the white mix shall be. Are you okay?
Yes, I am. I think we should call this wedding off.
Jesus wept. Are you kidding me? Is this a joke? No, what are you saying? Are you by any chance trying to call off this wedding? Are you breaking up with me?
No, that is not what I mean.
What are you saying?
It's not what I mean. I need a little time to think this whole thing through. I think we're being too forward.
Just shut it! Shut up your damn mouth! You need a little time. Now you tell me, what is the difference? What? We've been in this relationship for too long for you to just call off the wedding just like that? And you expect me to just keep calm? I am so disappointed. You are nothing but a Mozambique retarded idiot. You don't have any, you're not even capable to marry a princess like me. It's so obvious. You know what? Just get out of my father's house.
Try and understand me, please.
Get out of my father's house before I unleash my madness on you.
All right.
Get out! Get out of this place! Get out!
All right.
What nonsense! You're still thinking. You know what? Come back here! Come back! I'm not done with you! Why are you like this? What is it? You are crying. Oh, no. Mother, he broke up with me. I thought he loved me. I thought he was everything to me. I thought I found the right man. Mother, why would he do this to me? My dear, you don't have to cry over it. See, who knows what would have happened if he had married you? Mother, nothing would have happened. Everything happened for a reason. Mother, I know that. So? Why would he break my heart like that? Mother, he is supposed to be my rock. Do you know what? I think I am jinxed. Shh. I think I am caught. No. Don't say that. You don't talk like that to yourself. Please, my child. You know what? You're a beautiful woman. Courageous. Strong and wise. Your happiness just began. Mother, with all those qualities, I wasn't even able to keep a man. Tell me, of what use are those qualities? Of what use? My happiness has crashed. Everything has gone down. It's not true. I reject that for you. That is not the end of the world. You've not even started. Don't worry. Everything will soon be over, okay? Come on. I don't like this, your mood. God. Stop it. Oh my God. Stop crying. Come on, stop.
Oga, what do you want?
Please, I need recharge card.
Oga, no dey sell recharge card. I get a goosey soup. I get a pan fresh one. You get your fresh, oh. I get.
Yes. After our conversation on the phone, did I told you where they took your fiancé? So many trouble came up. You were always fighting with your sister. I don't know. The next day, your sister sent me out of the palace. My prince, I went through hell. I suffered. When I went back to my mother, my own mother chased me out of my father's house. And when I insisted, she made my life miserable. She frustrated me. My mother made me suffer. Then I had no other choice than to leave the house for her. I came out in the street. I did everything. I searched for work. I did everything, but I didn't see any. After everything, I ended up doing this business.
This is crazy. This is serious. My sister did all that to you? And even your mother? I'm truly sorry about all of this. I'm sincerely sorry.
It's okay. It made me stronger. I know I'm stronger now.
Listen, I promise you everything is going to be fine. All right? Everything is going to be fine.
Yes, my prince.
I lost a mouth-watering job by the time I came back. But that's not even my worries. And I remember how embarrassing it was roaming the streets mad.
You know, somehow we are all paying for our past sins.
The reason I wish I can turn back the hands of time. When I remember that it was our youthful exuberance that got us into this trouble. I regret everything. Thank God for my parents and my people. I would have been roaming mad on the streets. God.
Now I know why they say, be kind to people you meet on your way up.
Because you are bound to meet them on your way down.
So sorry. So
sorry for everything we passed through in the past.
I'm sorry too. I'm sorry for everything that happened to all of us. I'm so sorry. Let's toast to a new friendship. Okay. To a new life. To a new phase of life. And to better things ahead of us with happiness. Amen. Cheers.
So tell me.
That's good, they're alright.
Why don't you calm down? And let us sort these things out like matured minds. Alright? Babe. Are you even listening to me? Alright, listen. I am willing to do whatever it is. Whatever it is.
You already chose the crown over me.
The crown. But, babe!
Take your hands off me. I do not want to ever see you in my life again. Don't ever come close to me or anything related to me.
Etel. It's yours. My body for you. So you can keep it. Please. Etel!
My princess. Take. Look carefully. And tell me which of them is the best option.
Mother, please, this is not really what bothers me at this point. You know, I think it's high time I relocated to UK. I mean, that's where I belong, and there's nothing left here for me.
No, my dear.
Some pictures.
You don't talk like that. How can you say such a thing? Come on, my child. I've known you to be a strong-willed woman, and you have always been. See, a whole lot of future awaits you out there. Just step out and grab it with your two hands. What are you waiting for?
Mother, come off it. I mean, Douglas already broke my heart, and it is very clear to me that there's nothing here for me. I feel and I know it will never be the same.
Says who? See, my child, I suggest you take a vacation. All the expenses will be taken care of by your father's company. Just go out there to any country of your choice. Tour, explore, sightseeing, anything. Cool your brain. And then when you are back, you take a position in your father's company. You need a career.
Wow. I think you're right, you know.
Good.
I'll give it a try.
Good. That's my daughter talking. Trust me, you're not going to regret it. Yes.
Okay.
So, can we go back to our pictures so you can choose and tell me which of them is the best option? Look at it.
Mother.
Come on.
Yes. You know you like the combination of red and black, so let's go.
That's my daughter. Ijia. You are truly my daughter. So, can we pop a champagne or what? What do you want?
Mother,
yes,
the last time
daughter.
I checked, the people that pop champagne should have a man. I don't.
Oh, please. It's not just a man that will make you happy. You can make yourself happy. Come on. So, which one do we go for?
I'm sorry. I will pay with this shortly. Yes, I know. I'm coming right away, please.
Honey,
Ma.
Your food is ready.
Oh,
your favorite food.
Yes, keep it for me. I'll eat it.
Jollof rice and fried meat.
Mama, you can't tempt me, please. I'm in a hurry. I'm already late for the interview, so keep it. I'll come back and warm it and eat. Mama, I'll see you. Wish me good luck.
Good luck, my dear. God of poor widow, please help my daughter. Help my daughter. She has suffered a lot.
Oh, darling. Babe. You see, I think you should reconcile with your mother.
Babe, I don't think that is possible.
Why?
Because my mom is very, very mad at me. I don't think it's a very good idea.
Because you lost your job?
Yes.
Come on. This is the 21st century. Listen. You have to reconcile with your mom. If you do not know how to do that, then I think I have an idea.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think I should do? How do I do it?
Come.
God.
Mother, what is going on? First of all, you invited me here to a really delicious fruit plates, and here you are eating it with all happiness. What's going on? I mean, what's this all about?
My dear, he said, and I quote, Mom, I shall be bringing my original wife home soon and very soon. The woman we all have been waiting for.
Okay. Who said? I mean, I've heard a quote. Who said?
Yeah, brother. My son. The most interesting part of it is the fact that he said the original wife that we all have been waiting for. I can't wait anymore. I am so super excited. Oh my God, I can't wait. Yes. I can't wait. I can't really wait. I can't just wait for it to happen. You're not saying anything. Aren't you happy?
I am, but I'm not as mad as you are.
But you can at least say, me too.
Me too.
Now you are talking. I can't wait for this original wife of us. Oh my God.
You are welcome. Hey, I forgive you, my daughter. Hey, hey, look at that. You guys do like this. How? My lovely daughter. Hey, my son. Welcome. What is just for me? See, what is for me? Hey, I was warning. Oh, hey, hey, are you serious? Hey, this one is mad. Was not in the minutes. Hey, hey.
Mother, I think they're here.
Hey guys!
Hey, son!
Mom! Sis, I want you to meet my love, Chinyere. Chinyere.
What is this? I mean, what is this?
Oh, you went to Tonye?
Mom?
Oh, you went to Pama?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Half of me dress like Okpa. And you? Hey! When I hear that, I go again. So you will just... No, let me start from you. You know, I've always known that you have no taste when it comes to women. You scored all the while in the UK, you could not even get the least daughter in the palace of England. I mean, the Queen of England, the least daughter. Now you have stooped so low to bring in someone who was a cook in this palace. Someone who is retarded. And you have the guts to even bring out the 2 mini balls. Your doormats are outside. And here you are wearing a rope like someone who is sweeping the streets of Afito North. You are a useless idiot. What's that on your head? The what? Girl, you stink from this place. How to go from here? You stink. Can I just yourself?
Mom?
Don't mom me.
Why would you allow her to...
Hold it there! What do you mean? I'm not done with you! Look at her!
No, go and look for another masquerade and bring to us.
Yeah, imagine, go!
I will deal with you.
God punish you!
I will deal with you.
You will do nothing! You will do nothing!
And we have to set all this down for a restaurant?
With all this stress.
You don't see that rope mother? That rope can sweep the entire Nigeria. That rope can sweep away poverty from this country. That rope can deliver us on somebody.
I'm so
Do you see the donut?
I am so disappointed.
When your son is wearing a check and a royal bead, what do you
So, here no why not name a container kwado bomb for.
you cannot combine traditional with foreign. British and traditional that can ha!
Eddie
Imagine him wearing two things together with a horse head and a
Eddie
glass.
I want to be out of the
Kodo yana ga sina kuro.
I want your job. Wow! Now go to me apa.
Sokwa, iya diga madiga sieje. Ta!
I'm going to snatch away.
Let's go back inside. I will take care of this.
I told you. I vividly asked you if this would work, but you assured me. You assured me. Just imagine the embarrassment. They were looking at me like a piece of trash that I am. You did nothing.
Listen, darling. I totally understand how you feel. I mean, I feel your pain. But trust me,
Don't touch me.
Trust me, darling, you're misunderstanding everything. You know my sister very well. You know how she behaves. You know how she talks to people. But you don't have to worry because I can handle this.
No, I'm worried. You cannot handle that. You cannot handle it. Did you do anything? You said they were yelling at me. They were even cursing me. They were even cursing me.
Mama.
You're welcome.
What is that? Mama, what are you hiding there?
It's nothing though. It's letter from our doctor, from hospital. You know our doctor now.
Mama. I want to see. Show me now. You said it's letter from our doctor. I want to see. Let me see.
But the letter...
Mama, you know that letter is not from our doctor. Let me see.
Hey.
I know you're scared that something will happen. Let me see. Miss Helene Okoroma. Mama, is this from the hospital?
What are you trying to do?
Mama, calm down. Let me open the letter now. Mama. Mama, nothing will happen. Stop now. Nothing will happen. Letter of appointment. Heaven Industries. There, Miss Helene Okoroma. We are glad to inform you that you have been appointed as the personnel manager of Heaven Industries. With a car and apartments. You are expected to resume immediately. We look forward to working with you, Mama! Got it!
Enough! Enough! Yes, enough! Enough!
Mama, stop now! Mama, wait, let me rejoice! Mama, see now! Is that what letter?
Yes!
No! Mama, stop this thing you're doing now! Stop now!
My queen, I have thought about this left, right, and center, and came to the conclusion that as time passes, time gets older. In this quest, a lot of things can go wrong, even in this palace.
How do you mean?
Good. Your son, Prince Ikenna, is not getting any younger. And the procession to the Imobi is not getting any younger too. Any moment from now, the traditional calendar might change or revert against us. And trust me when I tell you that it will have very grievous consequences on this kingdom.
Oh no. What are you saying in essence?
Your son, the prince, counted his teeth the first time. And we believe he counted it wrongly. Now, he has counted his teeth the second time. And I am sure with confidence that he will tell us the number he has counted. My queen, I suggest you allow your son to block that which he has chosen for himself. Before we proceed further, my prince, come king, I want you to tell us that title you feel befits your authority.
Yes, that's true.
I will go with the name Aguridago I of Amasa Kingdom.
Agulilago one.
Agulilago. Oh yeah. My people, with the powers bestowed on me as the Onowu of Amasa Kingdom, I hereby crown you the Agurilago I of Amasa. I hereby hand you the symbol of authority of Amasa Kingdom.
Amasa Queen! Yeah! Queen! Yeah!
Congratulations, sir. Namu.
Thank you very much.
My daughter-in-law. This now belongs to you from today.
Amasa! When
First off, I would like to thank the gods for a day like this. I would like to thank the members of the council.
Thank you.
For standing by me all through my tribulations. And I will especially want to thank my mother, the Queen.
Yes.
And my beautiful wife,
the Queen.
I would like to let this kingdom know that everything good will be provided. I will make sure this kingdom beats the rich.
Amasa Queen!
Yeah!
Queen!
Yeah!
Queen's one!
I would like us to proceed to the square so that the people can receive their king. Please, let us proceed.